As a Gen X kid, I always loved garage door openers as much as I loved arcade games. I had this button in the house and it had a wire that went all the way into this junction box on the outside, under the deck and under the mud, and then over into this other junction box and into the garage. And then it went kind of down the wall, and then it kind of got lost and it got, cut into pieces. So what we're going to do is, first, we're going to make sure the wire works so that we can get it there. I used this meter to check the continuity, and when the wires touch, that you hear that beep. So I did that off camera, and in the meantime, let's get an arcade button, and let's use that to make the button inside of the house open the garage door. 1 1/8 inch hole, so I'm going to use my dare ruler. It's very convenient, and I'm going to drill a hole into this, and probably my carpet. Reminder, don't let wife see this video. Okay, so a good deal. I got a hole that the button fits in. We're gonna screw it on there, and then we're gonna use the little switchy guy and putting that in there. It looks good. And I'm gonna get a wire ready, and we're gonna put this together, and I'm not gonna let you watch it. Snapped my fingers and it's done. We're gonna go take this and wire it in to the existing wiring. And all I have to do is take these little blue caps off and then screw in the 2 new wires that I made, and then we're going to put the button on, and I'm going to get the screws to line up because people are anal retentive and they love that. All right, so now I'm going to take this wire, which is for doorbells, but it's the same kind of wire, and we're going to have this is what we're going to kind of interface with. We're going to put this into the button so that our button inside of the house will be able to sort of click this button remotely. All right, but not remotely. I mean, there's wires everywhere. It's awesome. All right, we got to screwing this guy in, and we're going to clean it off because it was nasty. It had some black stuff on it that from fingers, probably gross. All right, so here we are inside of my storage room. It's terrible. Don't judge me. This is just the way it is, right? I'm going to fish it through the existing holes that were there, and then we're going to use the little blue screw caps and get that guy to go and join up with the existing wiring. So now I should be able to go inside. So this is going to be great, right? Arcade button, do you think it'll work? I mean, it's not exactly standard. Let's make sure this button still works. Yes, garage door closes. All right, that's great. Now let's run inside, and it works here too. Yeah, we've done it. We're arcade nerds.